feel amazing. I am a writer of books, love poems, and for the revolution. I am she who makes your smile widen while your heart stands still. I am the most high love and devotion, and I give birth to free will. I am the sun's rays when Ra decides to grace your windowsill. I am in the matrix, offering you the red or blue pill. I am the ability of our children to remember all that ish about Jack and Jill. I am the howler at the gravesite when your firstborn son is killed, and this is 2013, so I can't be talking about Emmett Till, and though I had Kobe Takoma Hembaloo Maloney only wanted to sit down, meditate, and allow his mind to become still, in these times, inequality and injustice are still too real, so in turn, I am my aunt, bringing balance to the scale. I am the sacred womb who gives birth to each and every man. I am fertile, fresh, and green like African grasslands. Prior to the invasion and rape forced upon us by foreign hands, when I call on all warrior queens to make a rebel salute like only we can. I am
the I am, the representation and vibration of God through man, the receptor and projector, painting you mental images and helping you receive external messages of this eternal plan. I am the Alpha and Omega. I am the spirit that dwells within every living creature. My potent vocals hit mystical musical notes, transforming the elements of earth, wind, fire, water, and ether, harmonizing with them in sound. Let them speak to you. Let it infuse you. How could you not be a believer when you could see me in your features? We are a family, bonded, thicker than blood. We are related by love, more concentrated than any fruits of your labor, freshly squeezed by the pulp. I am of the Most High, purified and consecrated. I would never die. My skin, my melanin back into the soil to be used as medicine, healing and purifying the earth once again from the destruction of men. And with that said, I am the cycle of life, death, and rebirth. I am time in reverse. I am the past. I am time in fast forward. I am the future. I am time as a gift now. In reference, I am present. Woo. I am now taking time out to repay my dues because I am the incarnate of the original Black Jews. I am the cornerstone that the builder refused, and I am now realizing that I have the choice to choose whether I am going to win or you are going to lose, which may sound like the same thing, but I guess it depends on your views. So if you're pessimistic, your face is going to be twisted up and screwed, but I am always smiling, so I'll give you a clue. The reason why I look into myself and I begin to see you is the reason why Damani and I name this piece Shoe and Tefnu. The reason why women want to test me on the mic don't get lyrically smooth is because iron sharpens iron. And what at some point was two becomes one primordial energy, like when creation was new.
Express the red dot.